So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I change this lock and this lock for 24 hours. Uh, Tomorrow I continue to make a video about this is Magnum 3 rows. Very interesting lock. I found in YouTube just 2 videos with this lock, 3 rows. And not one getting not found, and I want to understand what kind of sliders I need to make tensioner for him. This is not difficult lock. This is normal, standard, not standard, maybe little 16 pins, 4 gates, 2 gates. Another no story from this, for example, but this, if somebody have, I think this not difficult and this difficult, no, this difficult and this not. I feel so. We can to watch this now. And I not found. I found just a tool what can to make here something. This is tool of Nigby. Thank you very much, Nigby, for your tool for dimple lock, because this is one. This big surprise for me, but this one what no working good here. First, second, third, first, second, third, four, not ask, 5, not ask, and 6. 6 ask. This is 6. I not remember. I not believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. And now first, second, third, four. Oh, I think I make mistake with 5. Not sure, but I think yes, because this is very high pin, and I need not touch him. No, okay. I don't know this click if it was okay. Don't know. Now we understand if it's I make a mistake now. Not, I think this is not very good. Okay. And okay. And once again, first, second, third, 4, 5, First, second, third, four, no. Nice. If you go very quickly, you not open this lock, not have, no. Maybe I got him, not now, but I want to get him because this is very, very interesting lock.